Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E20 and today I'll go over unboxing of this phone. So let's just pop straight open. There is the phone right at the front in a typical Motorola fashion, not necessarily neatly packaged. It's all kind of like jumbled up here in this kind of crappy way. We have some paperwork, some ejectol, and then we got a charger, which again kind of crap, and we also get Type C to Type A cable for charging, and that's basically all we get in the box. And obviously the phone right here. If you want to get a look at this, here it is. So plastic back, fingerprint sensor, glass front, plastic frame. I already did set it up, that's kind of why you can just do this, and yeah, that's about it. We have no headphone jack. Oh no, we do have at the top. We also have another button right here. What is this? Oh, Google. Okay. And SIM tray right here, which I believe will double as a expansion slot for SD as well. So dual SIM card and SD card. So yeah, that's about it. There's basically everything that you get in the box. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.